If Telegram is showing an error message, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. We'll cover resetting your DNS and IP settings, turning off proxy or VPN connections inside Telegram, checking your internet connection, and updating the app if needed. These steps are simple, safe, and can help get Telegram working normally again. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes. Alright, let's get into it. First, we'll reset your DNS and IP settings. On your keyboard, click the Start menu and type Command Prompt. When you see it, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because the commands we're about to use need admin access. Once the command prompt opens, type ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. This clears the DNS cache on your computer, which can help remove corrupted or outdated connection data. After that finishes, type netcsh winsock reset and press Enter. This resets the Windows network stack and can fix connection blocks or socket issues that may be causing Telegram to throw an error. After running both commands, restart your computer so the changes can fully take effect. Next, open Telegram and check your proxy or VPN settings. Sometimes an active proxy or VPN can interfere with Telegram's connection and cause error messages. In Telegram, go to Settings, then tap Advanced and look for connection type. Inside that section, check whether a proxy is enabled or a VPN-related connection setting is turned on. If you don't need it, turn it off. If you do use a proxy for another reason, try disabling it temporarily and then reopen Telegram to see if the error disappears. In many cases, Telegram works normally again as soon as the proxy or VPN is removed. Now let's check your internet connection. A weak or unstable network can definitely trigger Telegram errors, even if everything else is set up correctly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if you're on your phone, or if you're on a computer, try connecting to a different network if one is available. You can also restart your router to refresh the connection. Just unplug it, wait about 20 to 30 seconds and plug it back in. Then test Telegram again. Sometimes this is all it takes to fix a handshake issue between your device and Telegram servers. If Telegram still shows an error message, the next thing to do is update the app. In some cases, an outdated version of Telegram can cause login problems, connection issues, or bugs that have already been fixed in the latest release. If you see an Update App button in the bottom left corner, click it right away. Let the update install, then restart Telegram completely. After that, sign in again or reload the app and check whether the problem is gone. Keeping Telegram updated is one of the easiest ways to prevent errors from coming back. So to quickly recap, if you're seeing a Telegram error message, start by flushing DNS and resetting Winsock. Then disable any proxy or VPN inside Telegram, check your internet connection, and make sure the app is fully updated. Most of the time, one of these steps will solve the issue and get Telegram working again without any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.